years, detached homes have been the most competitive segment of Calgary's real estate market. But with inventory up, demand shifting, and prices still increasing, is buying a detached home right now a smart move? Or are we headed for a correction? Let's break down the latest numbers and figure out what's really happening. But first, my name is Dawn, and 85% of you watching aren't subscribed yet. If you find any value in my videos, please consider giving it a like and subscribe to help me get my videos out there. My goal this year is 1,000 subscribers, and each and every one of you are helping me achieve that. So thank you so much. Now, before we dive into detached homes specifically, if you want the full market update, including interest rates and economic shifts, check out my February market recap. I'll link that video here so you can watch it after this one. Let's start with what's happening in the numbers, because this is where we start to see a shift taking place. In February 2025, we saw 765 detached home sales, which is nearly 20% lower than last year. That drop in sales is significant, but here's what's even more important. New listings increased by 6% year over year, reaching 1,265 units. More listings, fewer sales. That combination has driven inventory levels up to 1,698 detached homes on the market, which is a 61% increase compared to 2024. That's a big jump, and it's starting to shift market dynamics. While months of supply has increased across all districts, the recovery is uneven. In city center and northeast, we're starting to see more balanced conditions, while South Calgary and northwest supply is still tight at just 1.6 months of inventory, which is keeping competition strong in those areas. But there's one other key stat that signals a shift in buyers' behavior. Fewer homes are selling at or over list price. In February, 42% of detached homes sold at or above list price. That might sound like a strong number, but when you compare it to last year, 57% of detached homes were selling at or above list price. It's pretty significant. That's a major competitive bidding, meaning buyers now have more negotiating power than they did last year. This shift suggests that while demand is still strong in certain price ranges, buyers are being more cautious, especially with rising inventory. Instead of bidding aggressively, many are paying less over list in multiple offers. So does this mean detached home prices are about to drop? Not yet. Even with fewer sales and rising inventory, the unadjusted benchmark price for detached homes in February hit $760,500, which is 5% higher than last year. Prices increased in every district, but the biggest jump happened in the city center, where detached homes prices rose nearly 8% year over year. So why are prices still rising despite a cooling market? Demand for detached homes is still strong, especially in mid-range price point. The South and Northwest remain supply constrained, keeping competition high, as I said. But if inventory keeps building and fewer homes sell at or above list price, this upward trend in pricing may not last forever. So what does all of this mean? If you're in the market for a detached home in Calgary, if you're a buyer, you have more options than you did last year, and bidding wars are cooling off in some areas, but prices haven't started dropping yet. We're also keeping an eye on interest rates. If you're a seller, you're still in a strong position, but the market is shifting. More inventory means buyers have more choices, and pricing strategy is more important than ever. Detached homes are still in demand, but fewer bidding wars means overpricing your home could lead to longer days on market. Even if you're priced spot on, it's still taking slightly longer than last year to sell. You'll know you've got the pricing right by the number of showings you're getting. So is Calgary detached market finally cooling off, or is this just a temporary slowdown before another round of price growth? What do you think? There's a lot of uncertainty out there to know for sure. The next few months will be key in determining whether rising inventory shifts the market to favor buyers. Now, if you're on the fence about whether you should jump into home ownership or continue renting, I made a rent versus buy video that you might find helpful, so you can check that out. As always, if you have any questions, you can text, email, or book a call with me in the link below. I'm always happy to help. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.